social proof. So remember, in the last couple of days we approached friends and family and we gave them a free copy of the ebook. We've given them a day or so to take a look at it, and now we're going to ask our friends and family for testimonials. We're going to ask them for their opinion on that ebook, and then we can use this as an element of our sales page copy. So we put these testimonials on our sales page. If you can, encourage video testimonials. I understand that a lot of people might not be willing to do video. That's perfectly fine. But if you have maybe an extrovert in the family or your social network, ask them to do a video testimonial. That is going to be so much more powerful to you than just a written testimonial. People connect with video on a different level. It speaks to a different part of the brain, and we are hardwired to respond to visual storytelling. So ask as many people as you can for testimonials, and then encourage them to create video testimonials. That's going to be so powerful for you. Also, ask influencers for feedback on your ebook. So how you do this is vital. So we don't go straight out and we don't ask them for a testimonial. We ask them for feedback. What do they think? What's their opinion? And positive feedback could be used as testimonials with their permission. So what you will do is say, hey Joe, can you please just give me some quick feedback on what you think about my ebook now that you've had a chance to look at it. And if they say, well, hey Mick, it was awesome, I really love this about it, I think people can achieve X, Y, or Z, then you say, fantastic, thank you, can I use that? Can I quote that in my sales copy? Of course, most people are going to say, absolutely, yes, happy to help you out. So, day 22 is all about building social proof. It's getting those testimonials, putting it on your sales page, ready to go, because we're coming into the last week of this system, and on day 23, tomorrow, we're going to look at maximizing your profit per customer. So we're going to have a little bit of work to do to make sure that we squeeze as much profit as we can from every sale you make. I'll show you how to do that tomorrow. So, on to the next.
Hope you like this video. Kindly like, subscribe and share.